I often go like scribble that I like loosen my tongue, loosen my cheeks.
Okay.
Shake it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Like, man, yo, SJ, I love HopeHill. Like, I love it so much. Like, I love it so much. Like, it changed my life. Hello, my name is Hazel Mbali, and this is my story. So, I was born in Soweto at Bara, and then I lived with my mom and dad at an area called Lenasia. All of a sudden, my dad became very abusive, so we had to move to my granny's at Val, Sebokeng. It was very difficult because my mom was not working, and then we were staying at my grandmother's house, and you know, every grandchild stays there, like my aunt's children and my uncles. I missed my dad because he's the one who was giving me the love, you know. So that broke me very much. So I became this lonely girl, yeah. So because we were living at my grandmother's house and with my cousins, one of my eldest cousin, he like you. So one of my eldest cousin, he abused me, like, and obviously when your innocence has been taken away from you, like, you feel useless. You feel like, okay, I don't belong here, so why don't I rather take my life? Because at the same time, your mommy is not around, your daddy is not around, you're only living with your grandmother who is taking care of everyone. I think the only person who supported me the most was my eldest sister, because I think I even called her my mom because she was the one who was around. So now I'm finished my schooling. I started working at McDonald's. I worked for like 3 years, and then I made enough money to start college after 3 years. So went to college, studied my levels in the electrical field. So now I had to look for a place to stay. I had a friend here at Springs. So I came this side in around September 2016. Came to HopeHill. I was like, yo, this is it. This is what I was looking for. That changed my life. That changed everything. I went there. You just feel, I don't know, you just feel welcomed. You just feel free, and then you are eager to know more. I was eager to know more about myself. At HopeHill, it teaches you family. It teaches you to connect. It teaches you to be, to not pretend, to be the person that you are, and then Jesus will change you. Don't pretend, just come as you are. It changed my life in the way that I see God now. It changed my, it gave me hope. It gave me real hope, you know. And to be strong. To know that, you know what, everything works together. Everything was working together. You learn about him, you go deep, and the more the more you surrender, it's the deeper you go. The more you humble yourself, is the more you get this, I don't know what to call it, but you get this strength and this power. Number one, I was very, very, very shy, but coming here, like it boosted my confidence. It's boosting my confidence now. And with the programs that HopeHill is doing, like I'm becoming unstoppable, and I can feel that like there's a sense of peace in my heart. My life has changed, and like I can't wait. It's like I can't wait. I know there's something bigger that is coming, and I can't wait. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am the life that was changed. I am so glad that you gave.